Hello, my name is Steve Bigelow with the Candlestick Forum. We saw this past few trading days where we had a strong, not a strong signal, a strong up day, but it did not produce a signal. However, as a candlestick investor, we were able to start identifying that there was a Frypan bottom setting up. Now, knowing what a pattern represents, which in this case is a buildup of investor sentiment, we know that even though there hasn't been a strong reversal, this Frypan bottom is a buildup of bullish sentiment. You don't have to just use one index to tell you that's happening. If it's confirmed with the NASDAQ also producing a strong Frypan bottom, this is where candlestick patterns utilized for analyzing what's going on in the markets greatly enhances your ability to know when to be in strong bullish trades or strong bearish trades. So very simple observation. If you see all the indexes building up as far as a Frypan bottom, that does two things. It tells you there's not any bearish sentiment out there, that you're probably still in an uptrend. And that allows you to identify the strongest candlestick signals, knowing that if there's no bearish sentiment in the markets, that those signals are probably going to continue to perform as long as there's no major reversal. So we've been long EXAS because of the kicker signal, the strongest individual candlestick signal, telling you there's been a major change of investor sentiment, and we know what to expect, excuse me, coming off a kicker signal, a strong uptrend. So anytime we see that kicker signal and it opens properly the next day, we know that we have a high probability that we're going to be in the right direction. Same scenario on best friend breakouts. You can see how you broke out of this resistance level with the best friend signal. Is there going to be more upside? Well, if we know that the Frypan bottom in the market is not illustrating any selling pressure, we can kind of expect this type of price move to continue that trend. So it's not that we're picking out signals and patterns that work. We're picking out signals and patterns that work in conjunction with each other, knowing if the markets are in an uptrend, your strong bullish charts are going to give you strong trade setups. Bit2, for example, look at your Frypan bottom breakout, and look where it broke out, right as that pattern started. What's expected off of this? More upside. So we can dramatically improve the probabilities of being in the right place at the right time, knowing what the pattern setups are and what the expectations are of those patterns. We can even improve our probabilities when we can see when there's breakouts from a pattern through a level that everybody else is watching. This also greatly improves the probabilities the bulls have taken control of this trade. So right now, as we can analyze the Frypan bottom in the indexes, we can take advantage of breakout situations because we know there's not any real negative sentiment in the markets. So with that, join us tonight. We're going to be doing a breakout session where you enter the trade successfully and what are they doing in conjunction with the overall market trend. So that's a free session every Thursday night. I'll have the link in the text area. But more importantly, this Saturday on the 14th, we're doing what we call a mini spotlight training, showing people how to take the patterns and implement them into the analysis of your overall market, and then finding the best trades in that type of market. So anyways, that's scheduled for 1 hour. They usually go for 2 hours. They're very inexpensive, and you get a lot of information, more information than you probably can care to hear, but you get more information than you expect. So join us. They're very informational. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.